Okay, after installation of Java, so in your system Java installation is completed, so Java is ready, then download the applications and execute the applications. So once the installation is completed, I would like to develop one application. So to develop the applications in the academic level, like in college level, we are developing the applications by using Corejava, we are developing the Java applications by using Notepad. Open the Notepad, write the applications. That is not a good concept. Not a good concept, it's a worst concept. So don't develop the application by using Notepad. So technology, a lot of updation is there in technology. So we must update each and every point. So now my suggestion here, you can develop the Corejava applications by using editor. What is that editor, Ratan? Develop the Corejava applications only by using edit plus editor. So here I would like to develop applications. So don't use the Notepad, that is academic level. So your academics already completed. Unfortunately BTech completed, MTech completed, MCA completed. So don't depend on Notepad. Now how to develop the Corejava applications. So develop the Corejava applications by using editor. What is the editor name here? Edit plus. Now here in entire Corejava applications, I developed my entire Corejava applications by using edit plus editor. So to develop applications, use edit plus. Ratan, you said Notepad is not recommended, not good process. Use edit plus. Edit plus is the recommended or not recommended. So in entire Corejava, develop the Corejava applications edit plus, that is a recommended process. That is recommended. So why, Ratan? In the company level, they are using Eclipse ID, NetBeans ID, JDeveloper ID, number of IDs. Na? So project level we are using IDs. Why you are saying edit plus? Point is clear. So company level we are using IDs, but you are saying Notepad, or we are saying edit plus. Why? So coming to Corejava, don't develop the applications by using IDs. Integrated Development Environment. ID means what? Integrated Development Environment. Don't develop the application by using IDs. Develop the Corejava applications by using edit plus. Why, Ratan? I'll give some example. Check it. When we develop the Corejava applications by using edit plus, 100% work is done by developer only. So like you, 100% work is done by developer. And when we use the Eclipse ID, so here 75% work is done by Eclipse ID. Eclipse ID itself is done how much percent work here? 75% work is done by Eclipse ID. Remaining 25% work is done by user, like developer. So user is not good. So you can say developer. So concentrate. When we use the edit plus, 100% work is done by developer. When we use the Eclipse ID, 75% work is done by ID. Remaining 25% work is done by developer. Ratan, tell me, what is the 75%, what is the 25%, Ratan? So concentrate here, 75% work is done by ID. What is the 75% work, Ratan? Number 1. What is the number 1 here? So concentrate. No need of compilation, auto compilation. Eclipse it is automatically compile the file. So what is the first one here? Auto compilation. Eclipse is not giving any chance to compile applications. Auto compilations. Number 2. So package import, automatically the classes or packages are import. The package import is automatically done. Number 3, exception handling, try catch blocks generation. No need to write the even single line code. Place the cursor, you want try catch blocks or you want throws keyword. Automatically the try catch blocks, throws keywords are generated by IDE. So try catch blocks. Number 4, when I create the file object, not file object, any object, file object. File object contains number of methods. No need to remember the every method. No need to remember the every method. When you type the control space, all the methods are showing with return type, with modifiers list and everything. Can you please choose the method, use the method in your application. No need to remember even single method also. Everything is provided by Eclipse ID. Number 4, you want setters, getters, code is automatically generated. Automatic code generation. So automatic, so it generate the code. automatic code generation. So like XYZ number of things are there. So implicitly Eclipse is providing this type of support. So tell me, when we develop the core Java applications by using Eclipse IDE, 75% work is done by IDE, remaining 25% work is done by developer. What is the 75% work? Tell me. So automatic compilation, automatic package import, all classes are automatically imported, automatic try catch blocks exception handling is done, and automatically all the methods are displayed with return types. And what last one here? Automatic code generation, setters, getters are automatically generated. Remaining 25% work you must do it. How to use the predefined support? Enough. The company level here, in the software industry, Eclipse IDE is providing everything. As a developer, you must know how to use that support. Enough. Don't think software employee means great. Eclipse IDE is providing lot of support. 70% work is done by Eclipse IDE only. Clear? Is the point. Coming to Edit Plus, we must compile Edit Plus application. We must import the packages. We must write the try catch blocks. We must remember the methods of file. We must remember the return types. We must write the code setters and getters and all. Tell me, Edit Plus means this every work is done by developer. Eclipse IDE means automatically. Now tell me, Edit Plus 100% we must write the code. Eclipse IDE 75% is done by IDE, remaining 25% work is done by developer. Now as a core Java learner, as a core Java student, tell me, you want 100% knowledge or you want 25% knowledge? Obviously everyone is required. How much? 100% knowledge, right? That is the reason. So you want 100% knowledge, then think about Edit Plus. Hey, you want 100% knowledge, then think about Edit Plus. Don't think about IDs. But Ratan, company level IDs are good. IDs only. That is the reason from advanced Java onwards. So now after this is core, right? I will give the advanced Java videos also. In advanced Java first day class onwards, I am using Eclipse IDE. So practicals of core Java, Edit Plus, get the 100%. In advanced Java, use the Eclipse IDE. Write the advanced Java applications by using Eclipse IDE. So now the final conclusion here. Core Java, what is the recommended editor here? Edit Plus. Advanced Java, do the practicals of advanced Java only by using IDEs. Don't depend on editors. As Amir paid students, we are always writing advanced Java applications also in Edit Plus, but try to habituate to work with Eclipse IDE. So Core Java is a basic. Do the practicals by using Edit Plus, not Notepad. So advanced Java onwards, try to habituate with Eclipse IDE. Know how to use Eclipse IDE. Why, Ratan? In software industry, lifelong we must work with Eclipse IDE only. So final conclusion is what? So initialization is completed. After initialization of the software, develop the application. To develop the application, we require the software. Which software required here? Editors are there. One hand IDEs are there. So editors means we must do the 100% work. IDEs means Eclipse IDE, my NetBeans IDE is there. IDEs means 75% work is done by IDEs. That is the reason we are not choosing IDEs in the first class. We are choosing editors. In the editors, what are the examples of editors here? Notepad, Notepad++, Edit Plus. But don't do the practicals by using Notepad. Develop the applications by using Edit Plus. Clear? So now in my system, how to install the Edit Plus? I will show how to install Edit Plus, how to work with the Java first application. So clear? So that's the reason. Now finally I decided what is the editor here? Edit Plus editor. Then I will download, I will install the software. You can please check it in your system. You can download the Java and you can download Edit Plus and complete the first application. Okay. Now I will show what is the first application here, like how to download Edit Plus and all. Obviously go to the Google. Everything is Google Mata. Open the Google. In the Google, just type Edit Plus. The Edit Plus first one here. Their system is very dangerous. Google, in the Google type just Edit Plus. So Edit Plus is the, just click on first link. This is the first link, editplus.com. Once you install editplus.com, it is showing this Edit Plus and everything. So go to the Edit Plus. It is also for 32-bit is different and 64-bit is different. So how to check it? So now here, download the text editor for 32-bit and 64-bit, both are same. So click on download Edit Plus text editor. Once you click on download editor, it is asking download option is there. So here click on download. One second. So check it, where is the download here? Spell check. So download. So download the 64-bit Edit Plus. Download it. When we click the download Edit Plus 64 from editplus.com, 2.24 MB is there. Click on this one. Now Control J. So the installations are open. This is installation here. So installation is completed. Show in folder. In the folder, so this is your file. Can you please copy this file? So for the 64 and 32-bit, no problem, you can download the same software. Where is your folder here? Local disk GA, local disk G, I hope. Good. So Java by Ratan. Here place your Edit Plus. So double click on this one. Double click. So you know installation process, just like VLC media player, always next. Run. Okay, accept license agreement. Not compatible, we need to 64 32-bit. Yeah, good. So this is a 60-bit only. Remove it. So try to download the 32-bit only. The 32-bit operating system. So download the 32-bit or 64-bit here. Windows XP. I hope first one is 32-bit. Downloads. First one is the 32-bit. Compatible problems, no need, no problem. Once you install, it is showing error message. Then decide that is a 64-bit. Try to download the 32-bit. So errors are very important. Once you are getting errors, you are become expert in Java. Not in Java, anything. So failure is very important. So here click on run button. I accept license agreement. It is showing code. This reason, so compatible problems. Congratulations, completed. Always next. Once the Edit Plus is installed, so it is showing on icon. So this is the Edit Plus icon. Book symbol is there, plus Edit Plus. Just to open Edit Plus, accept the license agreement. I agree. Just it is downloaded 30 days trial period. Then I will give that key also. Just this is 30 days trial version. So go to the file menu. In the file menu, new is there. It is asking number of languages like HTML page required, browser required, C language, Perl required, Java required, others required. Before, obviously our choice is Java. Before going to the Java, can please check others, what is others contains. Oh good, HTML is showing, Perl is showing, PHP is showing, JavaScript, VB script, it is showing all languages. Okay, can please select the Python ones. What is happened here? Python I selected, click on OK. There is no Python code here, unfortunately. Others, can please check the PHP Perl code, at least it is showing first application or not. Good, no Perl code also. Actually, when we click the C language, it is showing C first application. Like any language, it is showing first application. Unfortunately, Parallel is not their first application. Any like other VB script, any first application here? Good. No first application, leave it. Anyhow, our concentration is Java. Click on Java. Our concentration is Java. Click on Java. Once you click on Java, this is a Java first application is displayed here. So choose that editor here, colorful editor. It seems to be black and red. So Ratan, it's not visible. Ratan, go to the view. Screen font is there. Set font, bold italic. So 14 font size. Apply. Good. So seems to was a great editor here. Class name. What is the class name? We'll discuss in first application anyhow. This is my application. Class name, public static void main string array args, system.out.println hello world. Don't write the hello world here. Always hello world. Not required. Ratan is Ratan world. This is Ratan world here. So that's your favorite fellow Ratan world here. This is the Ratan world. Application is ready. Concentrate how beauty it is. So you know Ratan favorite heroine is Anushka. So colorful. It seems to be Anushka. Not Anushka Sharma, it is Anushka only. I hope, but some persons on academic level we are developing application in Notepad. So leave it here. Academic knowledge is not good. So my BTech also I am developing the application by using Notepad. We are developing the applications, but you know Java is a case sensitive. Java is means what? We are developing. You don't know what is the first character is upper, second character is lower. We don't know the things. When you develop the same application by using Notepad, we are facing lot of problems with that coding conventions and all. We are facing lot of problems with the coding conventions and all. So try to check this one. Now here, the same application I will copy paste in Notepad. Same application I will copy paste in Notepad. So check the beauty of Edit Plus. Now here we are pasting the same application in Notepad. We are pasting the same application Edit Plus. Check it. Check it. Which one is? So this is a colorful editor. Edit Plus is a colorful. So here, for example, S is the capital letter. So class name starts with capital. So coding conventions. Check the coding conventions video. When I typed small t, actually class seems to be red color, but seems to be black color means some error is there. Can please try to rectify the error capless. But coming to our Edit Plus, dangerous Edit Plus, we can type the capless no problem, we can type the smallest no problem. It's creating lot of disturbances. Now here, check it. I declare the class space automatically open brace close brace generated. So anyhow, so develop the core Java applications by using which editor here? Edit Plus editor. This is your Edit Plus editor. Don't say leave it. So this is beauty required. At least always likes beauty. So this beauty you require. So this is class name, public static void main string array args. In the core Java trailer, I said 50 keywords in Java. What are the 50 keywords? I'm listing all the keywords. Can please check the core Java trailer. In the core Java trailer, class is a keyword, public is a keyword, static is a keyword, void is a keyword. Can please observe all the keywords must be in blue color. All the keywords in which color here? Blue color. For example, void, I did spell mistake. It seems to be black. Void is a keyword blue color, but it seems to be black means error is going. So all the keywords in blue color. Always string means within the double quotes. Always string is within the double quotes. Ratan holds always it is pink color. And predefined classes. What are the predefined class here? System is a predefined class, system is a predefined class, and file is a predefined class. Number of predefined classes. Like here, some predefined classes anyhow. So the predefined classes in which color? Red color. So this is the beauty of your Edit Plus. Now here, download the Edit Plus and install the Edit Plus and develop the core Java applications only by using Edit Plus editor. So that is information about your installation process. So that is information about installation process of JDK and installation process of Edit Plus. So with these two softwares, we are able to work with 1 month core Java. Clear? There is installation of process in this video. So we completed installations and all. And Ratan believes only one slogan here. Always depends on practical knowledge, but not theoretical knowledge. Don't believe the theory here, believe always practical. Theoretical and explain this is install, set it, download it means meaningless. I will show everything is practical. Ratan, some compatibility problems na. While getting the compatibility problems, don't think Ratan don't know how to install. Don't think Ratan don't know how to install. So we must get which error we are raising, how to we are rectifying that problem. So always think in that angle. If any problems, so while developing the application, we are getting some problems. Don't think faculty don't know the subject. Without knowing the subject, how we will become a faculty, sir. Anyhow, so you know everything. When you get the problems in classroom level or anything, when we get the problem means, don't think that fellow don't know anything. Just think what is the problem, how that fellow is rectifying. In future, that is helpful for you. But I am not saying negative. Some persons are thinking what? Whenever the problem is raised, then they are thinking, oh, this fellow don't know anything, there is reason problem raised. Don't think like that. Some compatibility problems is there, some situation issues are there. So the reason, always try to get the subject from errors. So clear? So always what the slogan of Ratan here depends on practical. Don't believe the theoretical. Anyhow, my class, once you check my videos, in front of the camera, you are able to see just 15 or 20 minutes. Always you are able to check my screen only. Why? Always depends on my practicals only. So don't expect a theory from my side. Always practical knowledge. As a real-time employee, how much core Java you required, think that practicals everything. Don't think in theoretical way. So clear? Good. So thank you. Download the software.